this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you a quick method to fix the system UI isn't responding on your Samsung phone. So just go to the power button right here and the volume down and force restart your phone. So if it's not responding or it's frozen, just hold this down for about 10 to 15 seconds. It may take a screenshot or it may, just be a little bit slow restarting. But just give it some time. Then when your phone starts up again, if it's still to this point where it's being a little bit slow, we can go to the power button here and then just go into safe mode, and then we can go to apps under safe mode and we can reset the system UI. So we can go to settings now, scrolling down to apps right here and select this, and then go to search right here, go to show system app. Okay, now we can go to search on the top and type in system UI, and we can go to this option right here. So let me type this in correctly. System UI. And then force stop it under here. Okay, force stop. Then going down to storage and clear the cache. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.